Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Open Settings to begin changing your theme quickly and easily. Swipe or scroll until you see Display or Appearance listed near the top. If you prefer, tap the search bar and type Theme to locate options faster. On many devices, Appearance sits inside Display or inside Accessibility sections. Tap Appearance to open theme controls and preferences for light, dark, and automatic modes. This step prepares you to choose colors, contrast, and automatic schedule settings for your device. Select light, dark, or automatic to switch your device theme instantly. Tap the accent color option to pick a primary color for buttons and highlights. Use the contrast slider to make text more readable without changing font size. If available, change font scale to larger values for improved legibility. Turn on automatic schedule to switch themes at sunset and sunrise based on your location. Review preview thumbnails to confirm contrast, icons, and notification legibility before applying changes. Tap Apply or Save to make your theme change take effect immediately. If the app does not reflect the theme, close and reopen the app to refresh the UI. For persistent issues, restart the device and wait about 10 seconds before logging back in. Use Reset to Default when a customization causes contrast or layout problems you cannot fix. Export or note your settings before major changes so you can restore a preferred configuration quickly. Contact support if a theme update breaks accessibility or readability.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.